In today's video, I'll show you how to downgrade your Calendly plan in just a few simple steps. If this helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. First, open the Calendly website and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, head over to the left-hand side and click on Upgrade Plan. I know that sounds backwards, but that's actually where you'll find all your plan options. Here you'll see the details of your current subscription along with other available plans. Take a moment to compare the features and pricing. If you don't need all the extras in your current plan, choosing a cheaper option can save you money. When you are ready, select the plan you want to downgrade to. A confirmation screen will appear. Double check everything here to make sure it's correct, because downgrading will remove any premium features you're currently using. Once confirmed, Calendly will process the change. Depending on your billing cycle, the downgrade will either take effect immediately or at the start of your next billing period. You will also get a confirmation email with all the details. And that's it. You've successfully downgraded your Calendly plan. If you run into any issues, Calendly support team is always there to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials just like this one.